Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, and I'm back again with another interesting video where I will show you how you can do a blank comment on Facebook. So if you are interested, make sure you watch the video till the end, and it is going to be a really quick tutorial. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Alright, to do a blank comment on Facebook, you need to open the Facebook app. And here I'm using my own profile to make a comment, to make a blank comment. So here I'm going to my profile and I will open up any picture. So let's say this is the picture where I'm going to make a blank comment. Only my name will appear and there will be no text other than that. So press comment. Now what you need to do is, instead of typing anything, you need to press the microphone icon that is given at the bottom right. In case of my mobile device, you need to look for the microphone option in your device. All right, and then you need to press it twice at the same time. You need not say anything. And after that, just press send. So as you can see, I pressed the microphone icon twice and then I pressed send immediately. So as you can see, my message, my comment has been sent, but there is a blank comment as I pressed the microphone button. All right, there is no audio, as you can see. So that's how you can easily make a blank comment on any Facebook post, and you can just amaze your friends. So if you like this video, do share it with your friends and give it a thumbs up. And for more interesting videos, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. So yeah, that was it for today. I will see you in my next video.